Hi students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Welcome to our grade 12 business mathematics class. Students, last week I hope you wrote the home test. So this week again we are going to start our lesson integral calculus. Okay. So in our last class we left there in exercise 2.6 third problem we have completed. So let us start from problem number 4 today. Okay. So exercise 2.6 up to third problem we have completed. So let's start from problem number 4. The question is integrate log x the whole cube divided by x. We need to integrate. Okay. So already I taught you how you need to integrate. That is, this method type is type number 6. The type name is integration by substitution or change of variable method. So we will substitute something here. Okay. So integration by substitution method. So already we have completed many problems. Everything, how will you take? Let z is equal to s. So same procedure we are going to follow again. Okay. So let us consider z is equal to log x. Okay. Bracket inside, what's the value? Log x. So I am going to consider that z is log x. Okay. So if we are considering z is log x, what's the value for dz? 1 by x into dx. How? The differentiation of log x is 1 by x dx. Is it right? With respect to x. Okay. So now we are going to substitute in the question. That is integration of log x the whole cube divided by x is equal to here, listen here very carefully. Log x, what's the value? Z, correct? Z the whole cube. Here, see here, dz is equal to 1 by x dx. Is it right? So dx by x means in that place what you need to substitute? Dz. Okay. So what's the value for 1 by x into dx? Dz. So in the place of dx divided by x we have substituted dz. Okay. In the place of log x what you substituted? Z. Understand? So okay. Now you can integrate. What's the formula for x power n integration? X power n you have learned this, it right? So what's the formula? X power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. So same formula we will use here. That is z power 3 plus 1 divided by 3 plus 1. That's equal to z power 4 by 4. Correct? So plus c. One integration constant. Don't forget. Now you can substitute that particular z value here. What's the z value? Log x. Log x the whole power 4 divided by 4 plus c. This is answer. Have you got it? Okay. Let's move to the next problem. Problem number 5. Okay. Question number 5. I'm writing the question. Integrate 6x plus 7 divided by square root of 3x square plus 7x minus 1. Okay. So this one, what will we do? We will take the square root inside value as z. Okay. So solution. Let z is equal to, what's the z value? 3x square plus 7x minus 1. If you are finding dz, what will happen? dz is equal to 2 3s are 6x plus 7. Correct? 7 minus 1 is there. Is it right? So minus 1, it's a constant into dx. Okay. With respect to x, because of that we are putting the dx. Okay. So now you can substitute in the question 6x plus 7 divided by square root of 3x square plus 7x minus 1 dx is equal to integration of what 6x plus 7 dx, that is same as dz, square root of z. Okay, just I substituted these two values in here. Okay, so that's equal to dz by z power dz by square root of z. How will you write? Z power 1 by 2. Okay, now what did you do in the next step? Shall we bring this z power 1 by 2 to the numerator? So integration of z power minus 1 by 2 dz. Shall we integrate again? That is z power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by minus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c. Okay, that's equal to z power minus 1 LCM is plus 2 by 2 divided by minus 1 plus 2 by 2 plus c. Okay, so what's the value we'll get here? Z power 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 2 plus c. Okay, shall we bring this to there? So what will happen? 2 into root of z plus c. Have we got it? How I got this 2? If we are bringing this 1 by 2 to the numerator, it will change as reciprocal in the numerator. Is it right? So 1 by 2 will change as 2 by 1. Z power 1 by 2 is same as square root of z. So square root of z. Understand? Square root of z plus c. That's equal to 2 into square root of what's the z value? 3x square plus 7x minus 1 plus c. Okay, this is the answer. Got it? All of you understand? That's all. Let's move to the next problem, 6th question. Question is, integrate 4x plus 2 square root of x square plus x plus 1. Solution. Okay. Here what will you consider as z? Before that we are going to take the common outside and we will rearrange this. Okay, so integration of 4x plus 2 into square root of x square plus x plus 1 dx. Okay, so that's equal to, shall I take the 2 outside from here? 2 is common. Okay, so we can take 2 outside. So what will happen? 2 into 2x plus 1 square root of x square plus x plus 1 dx. Okay, then we can consider let z is equal to, shall I take let z is equal to x square plus x plus 1. Okay, bracket inside value I am taking as z. Okay, so what's the value for dz? 2x plus 1 dx. Okay, now substitute this one in here. So what will happen? That's equal to integral of 2 into 2x plus 1 dx. What we can substitute? dz into square root. Am I right? Okay, so that's equal to integration of 2 dz square root of z. How will you write? Z power 1 by 2. So that's equal to 2 into, let's integrate using the formula x power n. So 2 into z power 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c. So that's equal to 2 into z power 1 plus 2. So how much will get? 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 plus c. Okay, so that's equal to 2 into, bring this to numerator, so 2 by 3, correct, into z power 3 by 2 plus c. So 2 into 2 is 4 by 3. Z value, shall we substitute the z value? X square plus x plus 1 the whole power 3 by 2 plus c. This is the answer. Have you got it? Okay, very easy. Already we did many problems. So you go to understand. So when you are considering z, you want to be very careful. When you are finding when you are taking the z value and afterwards when you are differentiating dz, we must substitute in that. Okay, so according to that you need to choose the Z. That's the only thing in this section we need to know. Understand, children? Okay, let's go to next question, problem number 7. Okay, listen here. Question is integrate. Listen here, children. X power 8 into 1 plus x power 9 the whole power 8. Okay, so we are going to integrate this one. For that, first what we will do, let Z is equal to, what I am going to consider is Z is equal to 1 plus x power 9. So dz means what will happen? 1 is a constant, so it is when you are differentiating constant value, you will get 0. So x power 9 means what's the differentiation? There is a difference between differentiation and integration. So always keep it in mind, don't forget. So x power 9, if you are integrating, what will happen? You will get x power 9 plus 1 divided by 9 plus 1. But when we are differentiating, it will be a different, is it right? So when you are differentiating, you will get 9x power 8. Last year you have learned dx. So from here we need the value of x power 8 dx, is it right? So x power 8 into dx value we need to substitute. So because of that, I am keeping x power 8 into dx here and I am bringing this 9 to the here. Okay, dz by 9. Now you got all the values here, just we need to substitute. Integration of x power 8, 1 plus x power 9, the whole power 5 into dx is equal to, substitute here, in the place of x power 8 into dx, dz by 9. In the place of 1 plus x power 9, z power 5. Okay, so that's equal to, shall I take the 1 by 9 outside? Constant. So dz into z power 5. Now you can integrate. 1 by 9 into z power 5 means z power 5 plus 1 divided by 5 plus 1 plus c. That's equal to 1 by 9 into z power 6 divided by 6 plus c. Okay, so what will happen? That's equal to z power 6 by 9 into 6 is 54 plus c. So that's equal to, what is the z value? 1 plus x power 9 the whole power 6 divided by 54 plus c. Have you got it? Thorough? Okay, let's move to next question. Problem number 8. Integrate x power e minus 1 plus e power x minus 1 divided by x power e plus e power x. Okay, so I am reading the question. Integrate x power e minus 1 plus e power x minus 1 divided by x power e plus e power x. Okay, so first what will you do? We will consider z. Okay, so for that z I am taking the denominator value. Okay, solution, let z is equal to x power e plus e power x. Okay, so dz is equal to, what will happen? E power x power e minus 1 plus e power x. What's the differentiation? E power x into dx. That's equal to, what is common here? E is, so we are going to take e outside from here. So e, if you are taking outside, e power x power e minus 1 you will get, plus e power x. Here there is no e, is it right? But I took e outside, so we will divide by the particular e dx. Understand? So what I did, I took the denominator value as z. So let z is equal to x power e plus e power x. So dz is equal to, what will you get? E into x power e minus 1 plus e power x dx. So now we are going to take e outside. Why we are taking e outside means, for the numerator value you need to substitute, is it right? So according to that you need to change. So e power x minus 1 you need is, so x power e minus 1 is there, then e power x minus 1 we need. So because of that we are changing like this. That's equal to, dz is equal to e into x power e minus 1 plus e power x. If here the power is 1, is it right? If you are bringing to the numerator, minus 1 dx. Now shall we substitute? Okay, now come to the question, that is dz. Bring this e to here. Dz by e is equal to x power e minus 1 plus e power x minus 1 into dx. So numerator fully we can substitute dz by e. Okay. So let's substitute, that is x power e minus 1 plus e power x minus 1 divided by x power e plus e power x dx. Okay, that's equal to, substitute numerator fully, what you can substitute, dz by e divided by z. Okay, so here what is a constant, 1 by e is a constant. So dz by z. What's the integration of dz by z? Log z, is it right? So log of mod z plus c. What is log z value? 1 by e into log of x power e plus e power x plus. Have you got it? So this problem is somewhat different. That's only one thing is, you are taking z, then we are taking dz. After finding dz, you check by using that. Okay. So here we need x power e minus 1, one value is there. We need e power x minus 1. Because of that, we are taking e outside. Taking e outside means the meaning is we are dividing by e. Okay. So the second term e power x divided by e power 1. Okay. So next step, what will happen? This e power 1, if you are changing to the numerator, it will change as e power x minus 1. So afterwards, if you are taking e to this side, and afterwards we can substitute for the numerator as dz by. Have you got it? Okay. Very easy. Okay students, let's move to the next question. Problem number 9. 9. Integrate 1 by x log x. Okay. Solution. Let z is equal to, shall I consider z as log x? So when you are differentiating, you will get 1 by x, is it right? So dz is equal to 1 by x. From this, 1 by z, 1 by x dx. So all the values you got is right. So just do substitute. 1 by x into log x dx is equal to, in the place of dx by x, what you can substitute is dz, is it right? So dz divided by log x plus z. So what's the integration of dz by z? Log of mod z plus c. What's the z value? Log of mod of log x plus c. That's the answer. Have you got it? Okay, very easy. Let's move to next question. Integrate solution. Listen here students, in this problem when you are taking z value, you want to be very careful. In the numerator, x dx is there, is it right? So when you are taking z as x means what will happen? When you are finding dz, it will change as dx alone, is it right? We won't get x. So when you are taking x square as z means what will happen? When you are differentiating 2x dx, you will get. From that you can find the x dx value. Have we got it? So because of that, I am considering let z is equal to x square. Okay. So x square means what will happen? dz is equal to 2x dx you will get. From that, if you are finding x dx value, dz by 2. Got it? Okay. So for substituting this one, it will be easy for you. Okay. So shall we substitute? That's equal to integral of numerator place dz by 2. 2 into x power 4 is there. So here x square I consider as z, is it right? So z square, is it right? 2z square minus 3z minus 2. So that's equal to 1 by 2 is a constant outside. So dz divided by 2z square minus 3z minus 2. Okay. So in this problem, we are going to use partial fraction. Okay. So why we are using partial fraction? You have a doubt. Why ma'am you are using partial fraction? So here we can change it as in a linear factors. Is it right? Because of that we are taking to do in partial fraction. So that's equal to 1 by 2 into dz divided by, we are going to factorize first. So 2 2's are how much you will get? Minus 4. Here minus 3. What are the numbers we can choose? Minus 4 and plus 1. Correct? So we can split it. That is 2z square minus 4z plus z minus 2. That is 2z you can take common, so z minus 2. Plus 1 you can take common, z minus 2. So what are the factors? 2z plus 1, one factor, z minus 2, another factor. So we are going to write this here. So 2z plus 1 into z minus 2. Okay. So let us consider this as equation number 1. Now we are going to split as a by b by. Okay. So how will you take that one? 1 by z minus 2 into 2z plus 1 is equal to a by first factor z minus 2 plus b by 2z plus 1. Okay. So what will happen? This everything you know, is it right? So how will you take that one? 1 is equal to a into, this will come here. So 2z plus 1 in plus b into z minus 2. So what will you do? We will make anything as 0. So put z place, shall we put 2? So what will happen? 1 equal to a into 2 into 2 plus 1 plus b into 2 minus 2. So 1 is equal to, how much you will get? 5a. So a is equal to 1 by 5. Now shall we put another value? Put z is equal to 0. So 1 is equal to a into 2 into 0 plus 1 plus b into 0 minus 2. So how much you will get? 1 is equal to a minus 2b. Now you substitute the a value here. That is 1 is equal to 1 by 5 minus 2b. Bring this to this side. So 1 minus 1 by 5 is equal to minus 2b. So now let's take the LCM. 5 is the LCM. So 5 minus 1 is equal to minus 2b. So how much you'll get? 4 by 5 is equal to minus 2b. So numerator to numerator you can cancel. Is it right? So 2. So what's the b value, ma? b is equal to minus 2 by 5. What's the b value? Minus 2 by 5. Okay. Now shall we substitute? Equation 1 implies 1 by 2 is an outside. A value 1 by 5 divided by z minus 2 plus b value minus 2 by 5 divided by 2z plus 1 dz. Okay. So that's equal to 1 by 2 into, so this 1 by 5 divided by z minus 2. Is it right? So the meaning is 1 by 5 into dz by z minus 2. So 1 by 5 into dz by z minus 2 means log of mod of z minus 2. Correct? Then this one is minus. Is it right? So minus 2 by 5 into, you want to be very careful here. You will have a doubt. dz divided by z minus 2. From directly you applied as log of modulus z minus 2. But here you can't apply directly. Already I taught you in the last section, if z or x have any coefficient, we need to divide by the particular coefficient. Is it right? So here 1 by 2 is a 2 is the coefficient of z. So because of that we need to divide the coefficient also. Okay. Afterwards log of mod of 2z. Got it? Got it? What's the reason? You know? So z for, if there is a coefficient, we need to, when you are using the integration formula, we need to divide by the particular coefficient. So 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So what's the balance? 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 5 into log of mod z minus 2 minus 1 by 5 into log of modulus of 2z plus 1. Okay. That's equal to 1 by 2 into 1 by 5 is common. Is it right? So shall we take 1 by 5 outside? So what's the balance? Log of mod z minus 2 minus log of modulus of 2z plus 1. What's the formula for log a minus log b? Log a minus log b. Log b is equal to log of a by b. So shall we use that? That is 1 by 10 into log of modulus of z minus 2 divided by modulus of 2z plus 1 plus c. Okay, plus c. That's equal to 1 by 10 into log of, what is z value? X square minus 2 plus 2x square plus 1 plus. This is the answer. Have you got it? So you want to think something here. You won't put mistake. Again and again I am repeating, Z for some coefficient is there. Is it right? So Z for some coefficient is there means we need to divide by the particular coefficient. Okay, so because of that. Understand? So it's very very important as well as easy. Okay, you want to think something when you are considering Z, you want to be very careful. Okay, students. Okay, students, listen. Let's move to next question. Integrate e power x into 1 plus x log of x e power x dx. Solution. Let z is equal to, shall we consider x e power x as z? So dz is equal to uv method you need to follow. So already in the last year book, last year portion you have learned uv method, that is uv dash plus vu dash. Have you remember? So same procedure we are going to use here. So uv, here it is u value, it is v value. So u into v dash. So x into e power x, the differentiation is e power x plus e power x into u dash. U dash x for differentiation is 1. So dx. So dz is equal to, what is common? E power x is common. So you will get x plus 1 into dx. Okay. So it will be easy to substitute here. So when you are substituting, what will happen? E power x into 1 plus x dx. In the place what you can substitute? Dz. So log of z, is it right? So log of z. So just you can take it. That is, again here we are going to use isolate method. Why? Iz, we will use isolate method when two functions are there. Here this is one function, this is one function. Put dilate. So u is equal to log z. Why? Logarithmic function will come first. So log z. dv is equal to dz. Okay. So du, how much you will get? 1 by z into dz. Correct. V is equal to z. So integral of u dv. What's the formula? uv minus integral of v du. Correct. So now we are going to substitute again. So what will happen? Log z into v. What's the value? Z minus integral of v value. V value is z into du. Du is 1 by z into dz. Again children, listen here very carefully. Here two functions. So this is one arithmetic function. This is one logarithmic function. So logarithmic function only we need to consider as u. This will consider as dv. Okay. So using that I have find out du and I have find out v from that u dv formula. This one you have learned at last section. Correct. So this is formula for differentiation. Okay. This is an integration. So that's equal to, so log z into z. Is it right? So shall we take log z into z? This and this will get cancelled. Is it right? What's the integral of dz? Minus z plus c. So what is common? Z is common. So you will get log z minus 1 plus c. What's the xz value? x e power x log x e power x minus 1 plus c. Have you got it? Okay, very easy. You can okay, this one is very very easy. Okay children, so next problem number 13 is your homework for you. So question number 13 is very very easy, that is e power x into something. So I say in example I have explained you e power x into f of x plus f dash of x. Check it whether it is in the form of f of x plus f dash of x. Within 2 lines you will get the answer. Okay. So problem number 13 is a homework. Within 2 lines it will be complete. Already 12th problem I gave the homework for you. Okay. So homework exercise 2.6 problem number 13. Just you think it children, already I gave problem number 12 as homework for you. I hope you completed. So problem number 13 is your homework for you. Okay. So in our next class we will start from problem number 14. 2 more problems are left in this section. After completing this one we will move to the next section. So this second lesson integration, it's it consists of vast syllabus, is it right? So one section it will be more different. So you please note down all the formulas separately and learn according to the difference. Okay, so this one is substitution. So you keep it in mind when you are learning substitution also, we are using that previous isolate, then differentiation, then first section, formula, everything we'll use. So when you are learning, we will start from first onwards and learn it, then only it will be easy. So 12th problem, I hope you completed. Do problem number 13. From the next class, I will start from problem number 14. Learn well, children. Don't leave anything. Be safe. We will meet in the next class. Thank you, students.